a good future and love each other, understand each other, and if there is a problem, solve it before going to bed, and that's all.
Busy mommy. Marilo, may gusto dito. Take up. Yan, okay na, your turn.
Okay, it's my turn.
Stand up, ate.
Stand up daw. Lights, camera, action.
Para makita yung dress.
Yan. Cleo.
Okay. Siguro yung ano ko, wish ko sa dalawa, since na talagang favorite ko na may couple na to, yung dream nila noon ay matupad ngayon. Kasi after 2 decades, sabi nga nila, I don't believe sa forever, para ngayon yata makukontra na meron. So yung pangarap nila na noon, sana maging realistic and magkaroon pa ng baby.
Oh, let's wish for that.
Ang dalawa, just ano na lang, be happy, stay, put God first, then, ayun, yun na lang, kasi kagabi naubos ko na last time. Speechless. But I'm happy for you, both of you guys. Congratulations.
Thank you.
I love you both. I love you. Wala na iyakan. The daughter.
It's my turn.
Yeah, your best
Yeah.
friend.
Okay. First of all, happy birthday to Shre.
Ay, salamat.
Yeah, happy birthday to Shre.
What's it?
They're wedding at the same time.
Yeah. It's birthday. Yeah.
Hindi mo kilala.
Nag-celebrate pa tayo dun. Part 2.
Okay, and congratulations to the both of you. I wish for more travels together with the kids.
Travels, yes.
I hope you have fun in your marriage. And Tito Choi. That's my favorite tita right there.
Yeah.
Okay. Love you both.
Thank you, baby eyes.
Tito Joy, congratulations sa inyong dalawa and totoo na, may forever.
Yay! Let's play this!
And congratulations and wish ko na yung coming baby soon.
ASAP.
Manifest nila.
Congratulations, happy birthday. Yay! Thank you!
Hindi bibigyan ng wine kasi akala nila. Pinakabahan pa yan.
Happy lang po. Who's next?
And congratulations to both of you, Troy and Mahal. I am very happy for both of you. You know, talagang forever na. And all I can say is wish you all the best and may you have a baby soon. I love you guys.
Thank you!
Who's next?
Forever na talaga. Talagang, di ba? May forever. Dapat soon, babies na, para it's a time. May baby na rin ako, di ba? So, basta, I know naman si Mana talagang love na si Mana.
Yes.
So, we wish you all the best. We're praying for you. More babies to come. Oh my God. Mahal mo kabal. More. Kaya, di ba? So, God bless and yeah, we're so happy for you. And happy birthday! Message mo. Happy.
Congratulations to both of you. Sabi naman na talaga, I wish lang just support each other, love each other, respect, put God first sa their relationship. Yun lang, I hope to see a big soon.
My story.
Okay.
So I wish you could have like another baby. They met since 1999, that was 25 years ago. And I hope you have a good future.
Kiss mama!
Next
Shane.
Beautiful.
Grabe siya!
Hug mommy. And Daddy Choi. Yeah.
I know.
Alright, now let's hear words from the couple.
Oh, yan na. Your turn.
Okay, good evening everyone. First, I would like to thank you all for being here for my birthday and most especially sa aming special day ng aking husband. Finally, I can call you husband. No, officially, this is Nazareno. Sheldon Vasquez Nazareno. Alright, so, maraming salamat. You know that I chose this kind of celebration, very intimate, being surrounded by few people that I love, and those people that just want to witness us. So, napaka-intimate ito and napaka-special sa amin. Thank you so much. Of course, I would like to thank my mom-in-law. She flew all the way from London just to witness our wedding. And of course, my ate like mom as well from Philippines. Thank you so much, ate. And syempre sa aking dalawang anak na nandito, nagulat ako sa message ng aking anak. Sabi ko, message tayo siya kagad. Na-touch ako, sabi ko di ako iiyak, pero I like the words for having future. Sabi niya, since 1999, he knows the love story because I'm very open with my kids. That's why everything is very smooth. Everything is very, you know, according to the plan because there's no surprises for them. I told them about our love story and Sean calculated the years. It's like since 1999, you know, like more than 25
years ago.
Oh my God, you're so smart. So he knows because I told them the story about Daddy Troy, my first love. And he knows everything, the story about my life. I think that is one secret para magkaroon ng maayos na relasyon sa mga bata, para walang issues, say, you know, sa ganitong sitwasyon, be open, ready to them, and talk to them. So, napaka-smooth, walang problema. And gusto ko magpasalamat sa aking pamangkin, si Maria. Si Maria Laika, chef, saka si Jo, chef, all the way help, makeup, hindi naman, hairdresser, and everything like that. And si Abby yung yung siya yung kasama ko dito sa Canada talaga. Kami dalawa ang, you know, with problems and everything, she knew all my stories. Kaya alam ko kung paano niya ako sinuportahan, kung paano siya, gaano siya kasaya ngayon. Actually, ganyan ko lang ito sasabihin, when everything went whatever, ang sabi lang ni Abby noon, Tita, life is only one. Follow your heart and do what you deserve. Love yourself. Kasi noon, parang ayaw ko na eh. You know my story, especially my best friend, si Siwe, Leia, you know my story, right? So I came to the point in life that I told myself, I'm done and I'm ready to be single for the rest of my life and I just focus on my 2 kids. But I think with prayers is ang laki ng turnaround kasi humingi ako ng personal prayer kay Rowena, kay Leia, and all the people that very close to my heart, kay Jocelyn. I asked for a real prayer. And sabi ko sa kanila, I need prayers for me kung ano bang tama. And just in a twist, ang bilis. And hindi ko rin na-expect na Joy will be here right away because for everybody's information, wala akong idea, he's planning to go schooling. He got acceptance from SAFE and Bobali, both schools. So any school, he can go anywhere. But I don't know why, one time, we just need to think about another options. And Abby, and nagkaroon ng invitation, and I would like to thank Manay Lay for the help. You know, ang laki ng tulong na inalalayan mo kami sa application. Ang laki nung nagawa. And siguro with the prayers, andito siya. So thank God. Thank you sa mga prayers ninyo and yung pangarap nyo magkaanak. Medyo na-nervous ako kasi 42 na ako, pero nasa Canada tayo, walang dapat kanakot. We got this. We will give them. We will give them a best. Saka request kasi ng mga anak ko. Ayan. Again, sana wala akong nakalimutan pasalamatan. And of course, gusto ko pasalamatan ang Profolio.
Ay, siyempre.
Napaka-special ng celebration nito kasi dito sa Calgary, when we say Profolio, wow, you know what I mean? And alam niyo na kung bakit. Diyos ko, pinakit ka sa bundok. Hindi pwedeng hindi. Nanginginig-ginig na kami, hindi pwedeng hindi. So, thank you so much Manoy, Manay, and
Ace.
Ace. Maraming salamat sa inyo kasi you know what, in this kind of occasion, sa wedding, napakalaki ng factor ng taking memories, photography and videography. Kasi sila yung magsasum up ng mga nangyari at nagawa para yung memories na yun mag-remain forever. Thank you so much once again. And thank you everyone. Sana wala akong nakalimutan. Lahat po.
Clap your hands, guys.
No pressure, mami.
Max na naman.
Pahan bigla.
Makakatapos pa lang yung isa sa sikat. Mag-host. Calgary. Napakaswerte mo sa asawa ko.
Wow.
The best. Una, siyempre, special yung mga tao. So, maraming salamat sa inyo. Alam ko na napakalaki ng bahagi ninyo sa buhay ni Mahal. Ate Lourdes, mama ko, hindi ko lang napaka-emotional ko na ngayon. Wala nang dumating ako sa Canada. Iyakin na yata ako. Alam ni mga ang buhay ko sa Pilipinas na medyo rugged. Nawa ko ba bakit ngayon nandito na ako ay napaka-emotional ko na.
Bakit ako sinto?
Iba-iba. Nabanggit na ni Mahal yung mga kwento ng tumayong muli. Siguro sa akin na lang pinapakako ko sa special na tao sa buhay ko ba. Hindi ko siya sasawa. Gagawin ko ang lahat para maging maganda. Bibigay ko ang buong respeto. Suporta sa lahat ng pangarap niya. Dahil alam niya, mula pa noon, sinuporta ko sa kanya. Naibahagi ko na sa kanya yung sinulat ko na yung mga gusto kong sabihin sa kanya. Siguro ibabahagi ko sa inyo yung iba. Nagsimula kami sa isang grupo ng mga artista. So, sa theater group, kasama kami. Yung director, artista ko siya. So, parang palagi ko siyang gustong paulit-ulitin para at siya naman, mukhang gusto naman minamali.
Para maulit.
Maulit yung mga eksena. Kasi ako yung nag-direct. Then, syempre, gusto ko rin samantalin ang pagkataon na ito masabihin sa inyo. Na gusto ko rin pasalamatan yung nangungonsinti sa amin. Walang iba, si Ate Lourdes. So, nakonsinti niya kami noon.
May
Yung
kasi si
nagbigay sa
Tata.
amin. Siya yung naging instrumento para makapandigo ako kay Mahal. So, maraming salamat sa Ate Lu. Siya yung nagbibigay sa amin ng mga permiso kapag gusto ko lumabas, nakasama si Mahal. Gusto kanya ako gusto ko rin sabihin sa inyo na si Mahal lang, tayong babae na nakilala yung papa ko, yung mama ko. So, actually, nakalimutan ko. Pinaalala ko sa kanya, yung lola ko. Siyempre, sabi yung lola ko, pero yung father ko kasi ay pinsan ko lang din nakikita. Pinsan ko lang din nakita, at siya nakita niya. Magkasama niya. So, yun, pinagkakawag kami. Kaya lang, hindi naging tagumpay noon. Pero ngayon, siguraduhin ko natin hindi na ako papayag, hindi maging tagumpay yung relasyon namin. So, eto na. Bibigay ko lahat, gagawin ko lahat.
Yeah. Everybody get your glasses. Get your glasses. Make a toast. Make a toast.
Cheers! Just put
Cheers! Congratulations and best wishes to the couple. Yes. Beautiful, beautiful.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, Mark. Ay, pasabote. Baka, iba.
Turn, Manoy, turn.
Yes. Yeah.
Look at each other. Smile. Okay, so twirl naman, twirl.
Twirl, Manoy. Twirl, parang kaya. Twirl.
Huwag na yung likod ko.
Twirl.
Pwede ka Manoy, oh.
Manoy, baka mag-twirl.
Kaya kanina yan.
Ewan, pinag-practice natin.
Dito, Manoy, dito. Dito kayo, to the left.
May magaling pala ito. Huwag na ko yung drunk yung
Then last part, dip.
Ano gawin?
Tingin sa isa't isa.
At drip daw.
Tingin sa isa.
Ako pa. Paoy!
Yes, kayo dyan.
Paoy! Paoy! Sit lang. Suhol ako.